प्रोग्रेसिव्ह एक्टिव्ह सिटीजन ऑफ पर्वरी हांच्यांनी शालेय विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर पेंटिंगाची सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली। मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारांक बरी भलायकी मेळची हो संदेश ह्या कार्यावळींतल्यान दिला। आपूण जितले एक्सपेक्ट करतालो ताचेहून चड काम प्रोग्रेसिव्ह एक्टिव्ह सिटीजन ऑफ पर्वरी करता म्हण पर्वरीचो आमदार मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला। आरडीएक्सको खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Progressive Active Citizens of Porvorim forum which is formed for the betterment of Porvorim, like-minded citizens who have come back of all age groups, Burgi, youth, Janti, senior citizens, सगळे एककडे आयले and are the well-wishers of us and Porvorkars, where they want to give some positive thoughts, constructive thoughts, how to make Porvorim better, how to make the place better. बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन चालू दवरिल्ले आनी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन बिकॉज आमच्या मुख्यमंत्र्या खातीर ताच्या हेल्था खातीर we have asked our birthday committees to cancel the birthday celebrations and rather pray for his well-being. So I think as a gesture, PAC, the Progressive Active Citizens, have organized a program. We are taking the schools in Porvorim together, Agdil जावं, government primary schools जावं, Chabi Chicks जावं, ते सगळी 5-6 स्कुलां आसा यंग अचिवर्स ही सगळी स्कुलांक बरोबर घेतले, तांच्या भुरग्यांक तांचे टिचर्स बरोबर घेवन they have organized a small program here, a painting where all the children of all age groups are involved, teachers are involved. One is a birthday message to me and one is a message to our Honorable CM for him to give all their wishes through a canvas, sending it to his office, wishing him a speedy and a get well soon recovery part. So म्हाका दिसता एक बरें कार्य जे PACन केलां तांचे definitely needs to be congratulated, and the efforts of the children who we say are the future of tomorrow, planning and looking at things growing in a system where Goa needs Chief Minister like Manohar Bhai today to take Goa ahead, praying for his health and his good health and happiness. I think is a long way to go. Goa needs Manohar Bhai. We all need him to take Goa ahead. And the response what they have got is quite very good, and the wishes which they have given me, I think are much more heartwarming, very close. It's an emotional part which you just can't express through words, but it's definitely much more than what I expected. I thank PAC for having organized this wonderful event and having called me here as a gesture to celebrate my birthday 2 days in advance, singing songs and allowing the paintings and other things to happen. We are all working together for a better, clean and green Porvorim, and I'm sure in years to come, as Porvorim grows, Goa grows, the youth of the state will have a better future to come in.